Hi, boys and girls. Here are our vocabulary words for the week. Gear, parachute, rough terrain, fireproof, citizens, colonies, symbol, and equipment. That is for gear, supplies, tools, or clothing needed for a special purpose. A parachute allows people to fall slowly and land safely. That's what the smoke jumpers are using. Rough terrain. That means land that is just really difficult, harsh, or bumpy or uneven. Fireproof. Something that cannot burn or is not able to catch fire. And the smoke jumpers have fireproof jackets. Citizens, people who live in a place. We are citizens of the United States. Colonies, an area that is controlled by or belongs to a country. Symbol, a picture or object that represents something. And equipment, things, supplies, or tools needed for a special purpose, like baseball or the smoke jumpers and the tools they need. Thanks, boys and girls.